Hello, today I will show you how you can set up the job entry project, which is a job board platform in React and Laravel in your localhost. First, you need to go to this URL. I will mention its link in the description of this video. You will find the download button at the end of this blog post. The download button will appear only for logged in users. So I already created an account and logged in. It will download a zip file. Once downloaded, we will extract the zip file. We will follow this how to install file that has the instructions to set up. These are all the requirements: PHP greater than 8, Node.js greater than 18, MySQL greater than 5.7. Setup starts from here. We need to open CMD in this API folder. And sometimes the CMD picks the older version of PHP if you have upgraded your PHP version. In this case, we have to run this command to switch to PHP 8. This is for Mac users and this one is for Windows users. Now the PHP version is 8. After that, we need to run this command to install all the dependencies. Then we need to set up our database credentials in config folder. Database.php. We can set our database name, username, and password here. We need to create this database in phpMyAdmin. Once created, we will run this command to generate an application key. After that, we need to create a storage link. And then we will run the migration. This will create all the necessary tables in the database. Now we need to create an account for admin. So we will go to the database folder, seeders folder, and database seeder.php. Here we can set our admin's name, email, and password. After that, we will run this seeder. This will create an account for admin. And then we will start the server. We can access our API server from here. We can access admin panel by appending admin in the URL and log in with the email and password we set in seeder. So you can check all the functions of an admin. Now we will come in setting up the user side. So this is our React.js app for user side. It is in web folder, so we need to open CMD in web folder. Then we will run this command to install all dependencies. After that, we will run this command to start the app. We can access it from this URL. Now your client side is set up as well. You can perform all the actions. There is one more thing. Sometimes Laravel return a CORS error in those API endpoints where you are sending authorization headers. In order to fix that error, we need to go to the API folder, then in vendor folder, then Laravel, then framework, then in config, and open the cors.php file and set the sports credentials value to true, and you are all set. So that's it. That's how you can download and set up job entry project in your system If you need any help in this, feel free to contact me.